I work as a liaison officer with the Lively Minds in Uganda. Together with my co-presenter,
Clara.
Good. Today we are going to play two games, Under the Rope and the Snake. These games will help a child with their strength and coordination. But before we start our game, let's take you through some steps of making a rope using banana fibers. Step 1. Peel off dry banana fibers from mature banana plants. Pick out 3 long strands. Put them together. Tie a knot at their base. And then you start twisting and intertwining from right to left, right to left, until you achieve your rope of a desired length. How this game is set up: 2 people each holding the end of the rope stand facing each other. They hold the rope above their head for the child to pass underneath without touching the rope. Then the child passes under each time as they lower for the space to become smaller and smaller, until when the rope starts touching the child. Now we are going to show you how to play this game. Okay? Clara, pass under the rope.
Okay.
And again, you pass again below the rope.
Okay.
And again, pass under. You don't touch on the rope. Good girl. And again, Clara, one more time. Wow. Okay, you pass through. Pass through. You have tried. Good. And the last time. Okay, you pass. Okay, it has touched you now, my friend. How did you find this game?
It's fun and great.
Beautiful. Setup of this snake game: 2 people holding each end of the rope on the floor. Move the rope in a snake-like movement from side to side. The child jumps over from side to side without touching the rope, and each successful jump is counted. The child keeps on jumping while is being encouraged, and if touches the rope, is encouraged to keep trying. Now we are going to show you the second game called the snake. Clara, you jump over the rope from side to side. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hey, you touched the rope. Well done.
Okay.
How did you find this game?
It's fun and great.
Beautiful. These 2 games will teach the child spatial and distance awareness. And this helps the child to grow with strength and coordination. This helps also a child to grow well and to move well. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe and keep playing.
Bye bye.